Hello, assalamu alaikum. We are exploring dictionaries in Python, and today we are extending our topic of dictionary comprehension by learning how we can add conditions in it and make our life more easier. So, for example, in the last video we were saying that making dictionary comprehension is like you making as a lexicographer a whole English dictionary, lots of words. You are picking up words and its definition as key and pairs of dictionaries. And we did it using this comprehension. But now what? If you want to make a dictionary for special people, for example, for students, and for now, take that the students need only the words which start with S. Okay, so first of all, make a list of words upon which you have to make a dictionary. Some of them start with H, and some of them start with T, and some of them start with S, and some of them start with, yes, S, more S's, small, and some of them with Z, Z of Python. Okay, now in a traditional method of making a filtered dictionary out of this list, you would do, first of all, you would initialize a dictionary. Let us take dictionary 2. Okay, you will initialize it, then you will go for a for loop for word in words dot to. Okay, you would say if word dot first means that the first letter of the word is S, then only dictionary dot to word. That means I am taking this word as the key and then start making a definition of it. We can say here is a definition of the word called word. We have picked it because it starts with S. Okay. S for students. So a random sample definition for the word. Okay. And if we do so, there's a problem. We haven't indented the condition and what comes after condition correctly. Oh, uh, I was I was building a condition, but the operator I used was for assigning. For condition, I must use double equal signs. These errors let us polish ourselves in programming. And hopefully, if I would be printing this dictionary too, I will get the words which start from S and their definitions. Okay, here we have. Now, what if I had to do this with list comprehension? I want to do this fast. Okay. First of all, I would initialize this dictionary. And what is the syntax? We had discussed it. Key, then value, and then the for loop, which is for key value for Here we are making a dictionary out of list, so we will select that for key in the iterator, okay, which is this. If key is equal to this is the condition, okay. So for here we have the key is equal to, here the key is words, the iterator is words 2, and the values are the definition we are going to make. Okay, I'm not assigning these values, I'm writing it for you as a blackboard. Okay, so delete this cell because it has got an error, just for the sake of remembering. Okay, so key, for key we will say word, and we want the definition like this. Okay, this is the value. The second thing that will come in list comprehension is the value, and this value I want for the word in words list if word dot 0 is equal to s. Okay, so let's see, does this helps out or not? The name words is not defined. Oh, the dictionary we are using is words 2, so that's why, as we were referring to a wrong list which was not available, we were getting an error. And here we have used the correct list, and the dictionary has been built for us in a catch. Let's print this dictionary that we have made, a filtered dictionary with list comprehension. Have we succeeded or not? Yes, we have succeeded. The same result that we got from traditional method, we have got from list comprehension, and it's faster and more easy. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.